So that's one way to come up with chords. Another way is by using the wonderful world of VSTs. So let's go ahead and save this for now. And we're going to use a couple different VSTs. We can try using Captain Chords, which is actually a very popular one. And let's try that first. So Captain Chords works by simply kind of similar to how Melody Sauce works. Let's go ahead and load it up. First, you're going to load up Captain Chords on your MIDI track here. It's going to check in. We're working in F sharp minor. Let's go. All right, so it lays down a simple triad for you. And then you can kind of just go along as you want. Here's where you can choose different timings. So let's go ahead and choose a progression here. You can audition them each one. That one's kind of cool. That one's kind of cool. Let's try that one. And then let's see how it sounds on its own. Okay, so that's pretty good on its own. Let's say I wanted that one. You just drag that into your channel here. And then I can add different variations on the timing of it. So that's my progression. Now let's go ahead and change the rhythm of it. Dancing robot. And that's where this plugin really shines, is that the timing out of the chords it does automatically for you. Like you can make like these nice little rhythms. Obviously, you can do the same thing manually by just drawing them in, but it's real tedious and painstakingly slow to do that kind of adjustment to scoot it and then do this, and then do it to each little section here. So it's just a lot quicker to simply use this plugin for that instance alone. Let's go ahead and bring it up again. So I have different versions of it, so we can kind of stick with these. Let's grab these guys as well. So what else we got? Complex. Okay, so you can see where, you can play with this thing all day, and it gives you different ideas, different rhythm ideas that give you inspiration to work on your tracks. And you can just drag in the MIDI and then edit away. It's a really useful tool. I love it. There's Captain Melody that you would load up after. As long as Captain Chords is loaded up, you would put in Captain Melody on a separate track, and then that would create a melody based on the chords that you have. It works okay. I like using Melody Sauce a lot better. I think it has more catchy rhythms. Really, the algorithm just comes up with something that's a lot more useful, I think, than Captain plugins. Another useful and fairly new plugin is called Orb Producer Suite. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Now, this is a real useful utility. I use it somewhat as much as Captain, but a little bit more sometimes because of a certain feature that Captain doesn't have. And I'll show you that right now. So we're going to go ahead and let's do this. Let's go ahead and copy you. So let's act like you're the entire clip, and then let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so let's say that this is a clip. We're gonna go ahead and export this. All right, simply, let's see. There we go. And simply go to my desktop. And then let's just call it new MIDI file, save. Okay, so next we're going to load up, where is it? On our blank MIDI channel here. Hexachords, there it is. Orb Chords. It's basically set up exactly like Captain. This is probably the main competitor for Captain. However, there is a feature here that is really useful. Okay, so it does the same thing as Chords, or as Captain Chords. It basically uses AI to automatically generate chords based on the parameters you set and what scale you're in, whatnot, and everything. However, there is a section called Harmonize. And then this brings up a window that allows you to choose a MIDI file. So we're going to choose the hook MIDI file that we made earlier. Open it up, and it's going to ask you for a little help on analyzing the MIDI file. So it is a melody, and they have the scale wrong. Sometimes they get it wrong. So F sharp minor, and it is 8 bars, and I think we are good to go. Yeah, so F sharp minor, harmonize. It makes chords for your hook, so we can kind of listen to see how they sound with each other. Let's go ahead and drag this out to our DAW here. Now we're going to do another instance of just listening to the chords with the hook here. Solo U and solo U. Let's listen to the whole thing. Okay, so you can see it works pretty well. I mean, it does a pretty decent job, actually. I mean, these chords work just as well with the hook as well. In fact, let's see what the other ones sound like. try this one. So that one works pretty well with the melody. There's no real conflict as far as the timing. It doesn't sound overly busy or anything like that. So we're definitely keeping that one.